Hello friends, it gives me great pleasure sharing with you all that today with this video I am creating a playlist of a series of English videos wherein I would be uploading and English videos, something about English which would be useful for many people who want to learn simple English with me. Still, many people dream to become confident in English, a fluent speaker in English. Some of you may think, or some of you may have an opinion that I should share or explain here in Hindi. I'm telling you upfront that I'm not gonna use Hindi, right? All the videos under this playlist of English are going to be in English language only. Friends, just think at once. You want to learn English in Hindi. Again, I am repeating. You want to learn English in Hindi. Does it make any sense to you? We have been following the old pattern of learning. Instead, we should try to develop a habit to become familiar with English by daily facing and using it right in our day-to-day life as much as possible. I tell you, suppose if you start watching videos, English videos, I would advise you just watch the same video on a repeat mode again and again. What will happen when you would watch video for the first time? You won't get anything out of that video if you are starting at a very beginner level, right? But in the second time you would watch, you will understand some part of the videos. In third part, some more part, right? So now this way you will be improving, you would be learning, and the day will come when you would be understanding like 70 to 80% of the videos, right? So gradually you would notice that I am learning, and I'm really by just observing I'm learning English, right? Are you still afraid of speaking English? Are you the one who has English phobia? Why it is so? It is mainly due to fear of failure, fear of misunderstood, grammar mistakes, and the most important fear, the fear of being judged, is always present while speaking. I know there are so many judges around all of us who provide free negative consultations without asking, who don't charge from us for the negative consultations. These judges were present in past, they are present today, and for sure they are going to be exist in future too. It's all depend on us what we want to do with our life, what exactly we are up to. So avoid their opinions, avoid their judgments, focus on what actually you want to do for your life. So, do you want to speak simple English without using big words? The myth people have about big words, that people get impressed by big words, which is not the case in real. Except like in an interview, if you get selected, the position may require to deal with that kind of communication, that kind of big words, then it is okay. Or the person may get impressed who is having the same mentality, whose intention is to impress, not to communicate effectively. Expand your vocabulary. It's good to have large vocabulary, but please don't judge people only on the basis of big words. That's all for this video. If you find it useful, then please share it with others. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get an update about my regular updates, useful updates. See you soon guys with the new video. Right, till then, take care. Bye bye.